Now this guy is almost up, guys. I know it might be taking longer, it seems like it's dragging out, but believe me, this is the most efficient way to put these things up to where they're not going to come out, and it's actually the easiest. So here we are here, we got our 1 acre down there, we got our second one here, just push into the wall. You got a close-up of this? Tell me when you got a close-up.
I do.
Alright, he does. Go slow, stops right there, let it snug, don't strip it. Finish up our other one here, push into the wall, drill forward, stops, snug, it's good to go. It's my first bracket. I got my second one. Get these put in first. Before I tighten it into the wall, I just want to make sure that because there's a little bit of play with this thing, so I actually had to push it up a little bit. Once it's snug, which it is, go ahead and install my other ones. Okay, and we'll move on to the next one. And the next segment, we're actually going to mount the brackets and install the shelves. And this guy is done.